Choosing a health insurance plan today is no longer just about getting hospital coverage. It's about selecting a plan that can support you at every stage of life. Whether you are looking for strong protection, maternity benefit, unlimited restoration benefit, OPD supports, or modern wellness feature, two plans that often stand out are Tata AIG Medicare Select and ICICI Lombard Elevate plan. But when both plans look impressive, so question is which one actually offers better value, smarter benefits, and stronger long-term security for you and for your family. So that's why in this comparison we will break down Tata AIG Medicare Select and ICICI Lombard Elevate plan in a simple way so you can understand which plan deserves your premium and which one fits your future better. And before we begin, hi, I'm Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, where we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you ever feel confused in deciding which plan is best for you, don't worry, our team will help you in finding the best one that fits your needs. And if you want expert guidance, then book your free consultation with us and link is given in the description. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, then you can visit our Hindi channel as well. So let's begin with the company's background. Because to understand any health insurance plan, it is very important to understand the credibility of the insurer behind it. So Tata AIG is a joint venture between Tata Group and American International Group, and it is widely trusted in India because of the strong Tata brand reputation. And on the other hand, ICICI Lombard is one of India's leading private general insurance company and known for its stronger digital services and wide hospital connectivity. And if we talk about claim settlement ratio, then Tata AIG has reported a claim settlement ratio of around 95% with a network of more than 12,000 plus hospitals, and it's giving you a stronger access across India. And meanwhile, ICICI Lombard has a claim settlement ratio of around 97% along with a network of 10,000 plus hospitals. So both companies have a strong claim performance. And however, ICICI Lombard take a slight edge with a higher claim settlement ratio, while Tata AIG offers an advantage in accessibility through its wider hospital network. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria of both plans. So starting with the minimum entry age for adults. In Medicare Select, the minimum age is 18 years, and in Elevate plan, the minimum entry age for adult is also 18 years. So on this point, both plans are the same. And if we talk about the maximum entry age for adults, then Medicare Select does not have any maximum entry age, and on the other hand, Elevate plan allow entry up to 125 years. So this means both plans are suitable option for senior applicant as well. And in Medicare Select plan, children can be covered up to 25 years of age, and in ICICI Lombard Elevate plan, children can be covered up to 30 years. So here, Elevate plan offers a higher child age limit. And coming to policy tenure option, so Medicare Select offers 1 year, 2 year and maximum 3 year policy terms. Whereas Elevate plan offers 1 year, 2 year, 3 year and also a 5 year option. So if someone wants a longer policy tenure, Elevate gives an extra choice. And if we talk about policy type, then Medicare Select is available in individual and family floater option. And Elevate plan is also available in individual and family floater option. So in this area, both plans are equal. And if we compare the sum insured range, then Medicare Select offers coverage from 5 lakh and up to 3 crore. And Elevate plan also offer coverage starting from 5 lakh and up to 3 crore. So both plans provide the same coverage range. And finally, let's discuss zone options. So in Medicare Select, there are 3 zones available, which are Zone A, Zone B and Zone C. And in Elevate plan, zones available are A and B and C and D. So Elevate plan gives one additional zone option. So overall, both plans are strong choices. But if you want a higher child age limit, longer tenure and more zone flexibility, Elevate may look stronger. And if you prefer a plan with no maximum adult age limit, Medicare Select also remain a solid option. Now let's talk about the basic features where both plans provide a strong foundation. So in Tata AIG Medicare Select, there are no disease-wise sublimits, which means there is no separate cap for specific illnesses. And talking about the room rent, you get coverage for a single private AC room, and ICU charges come without any restriction, which becomes a major advantage at the time of claim. Pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses are covered for 90 days each, including consultation, diagnostic and medicines. Along with that, organ donor expenses, daycare treatment, domiciliary hospitalization and IU's treatment are also covered up to the full sum insured. And one interesting feature here is the daily cash benefit, where if you choose a shared room, you can receive an additional fixed cash amount over and above the base sum insured. So in addition, road ambulance expenses are also covered up to the full sum insured. And on the other hand, ICICI Lombard Elevate plan also offer very comprehensive base coverage. Here as well, you get access to a single private AC room, and ICU charges come without any limit. Daycare treatment, domiciliary hospitalization, organ donor expenses, and IU's treatment all are covered. And here, pre-hospitalization is covered for 90 days, but post-hospitalization extend up to 180 days, which can be very helpful in case involving long recovery periods. Road ambulance charges on actual cost basis are also covered and making it a useful benefit during emergencies. Now let's come to the most powerful part of both plans, their unique feature. The biggest highlight of Tata AIG Medicare Select is its Restore Infinity Plus benefit. This means you can claim unlimited time in a single policy year, whether the illness is the same or different, and whether your base sum insured has been exhausted or not. And practically, this gives you an unlimited yearly financial backup, which is extremely valuable in today's time. And along with this, there is also cumulative bonus option where you can increase your sum insured by up to 100%. And alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose a renewal premium discount instead of the bonus, and this flexibility is what makes the plan stand out. On the other hand, ICICI Lombard Elevate plan offers a restore benefit, which gives you unlimited restoration every year equal to your base sum insured, and along with that, it comes with a guaranteed cumulative bonus, where you can receive up to 100% bonus, and this bonus does not reduce even after making a claim. And once it gets added, it remains stable for the long term, which adds strong value over time. And another unique angle of this plan is coverage for surrogate mother expenses and oocyte donor related treatment, making it more relevant for advanced medical and family planning needs. And additionally, through its wellness program, policyholder can earn significant premium discount by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which makes the plan attractive for health conscious individuals. And now let's talk about the add-ons, where both plans show their real strength. So in Tata AIG Medicare Select, you get a very wide range of add-ons. Through the supercharge bonus, you can increase your coverage by up to 500% irrespective of claims made. And with the maternity add-on, expenses related to delivery complications, newborn vaccinations are covered, and you may also get option to reduce the waiting period. Another is the Women's Suraksha benefit, and it is especially designed for female health needs, and it's including PCOD treatment, cancer screening, and vaccinations. Another is Pocket Saver 2.0. Here you can get coverage for OPD consultation, dental treatment, vision care, and teleconsultation services. And Infinite Advantage provides a one-time unlimited claim benefit during your whole lifetime, adding an extra layer of security. And apart from this plan also offers consumable cover, advanced cover that can reduce the waiting period for pre-existing disease to 30 days. Next is home care treatment and accidental rider, cancer benefit, air ambulance support, and both domestic as well as international second medical opinion benefit. On the other hand, ICICI Lombard Elevate plan also offer equally powerful add-on designed for modern healthcare needs. Through Infinite Care, you get one-time unlimited claim option during your lifetime, adding an extra layer of financial protection. Another is Power Booster. It helps increasing your sum insured every year without any upper cap, making it valuable for long-term policyholders. And with the Jump Start add-on, pre-existing diseases such as asthma, diabetes can be covered in just 30 days, which is a major advantage for many buyers. And the BFIT add-on covers OPD consultation, diagnostic, physiotherapies, and nutrition consultation, making it useful for everyday health management. And Claim Protector helps cover non-payable items that are usually not reimbursed during hospitalization claim. And Inflation Protector automatically increase your sum insured based on rising medical inflation, and it's helping your coverage stay relevant over time. And apart from this, the plan also offers add-on like convalescence benefit, nursing at home, compassionate visit, durable medical equipment, teleconsultation, room modifier, and rider for critical illness, plus personal accident cover, making ICICI Lombard Elevate plan highly flexible and future ready. And talking about discounts, then Tata AIG Medicare Select offer a wide range of saving options. These include a long-term discount of up to 7.5%, a family floater discount of up to 32%, a young family discount of 10%, and professional discount of 7.5%, and a favorable experience discount of up to 20%. The combined impact of these discounts can make the premium significantly more affordable, especially for families and salaried buyers. And on the other hand, ICICI Lombard Elevate plan follows a slightly different and more lifestyle-focused discount structure. In this plan, you can get a wellness-based discount of up to 30% depending on your healthy habits and participations in wellness activities. And apart from that, the plan also offers a long-term discount of up to 15%, an early renewal discount of 2.5%, and a CIBIL score-based discount of up to 15%, which gives this plan a unique financial advantage for disciplined and financially strong customers. Talking about waiting periods, the structure in both plans is almost similar. There is an initial waiting period of 30 days, 2-year waiting period for a specific disease, and 3-year waiting period for pre-existing disease. And for maternity cover as well, both plans generally come with a standard waiting period of 2 years. However, Tata AIG Medicare Select offers an added advantage where through an add-on you may reduce this waiting period to 1 year. And this becomes a very useful benefit, especially for couples who are planning a family in the near future and want faster access to maternity coverage. And last is very important, premium. And if we talk about the premium section, both of these plans comes with highly competitive pricing. In Tata AIG Medicare Select plan, for a 10 lakh sum insured covering 2 members is 30 year and 25 year, under a family floater plan, the premium is approximately in Zone 1 is 11,258, in Zone 2 is 9,606, and in Zone 3 it's 8,624 rupees. On the other hand, in ICICI Lombard Elevate, for the same sum insured, same age group and same family size, the premium is approximately for Zone 1 is 10,994, in Zone 2 9,953, in Zone 3 9,432, and in Zone 4 is 12,596 rupees. So overall, both plans offer quite reasonable base premium compared to the current market, making them a strong option in the customizable health insurance segment. But if we compare both plans, Tata AIG Medicare Select comes slightly lower in premium in some zones, while ICICI Lombard Elevate pricing may vary depending on your zone and the add-on you choose. So ultimately, the final premium depends on your customization and coverage preference. Now the most important question, which of these two plans gives you better long-term value and security? So if we look at the overall picture, Tata AIG Medicare Select is a plan that offers strong claim support, powerful built-in benefits like unlimited restoration and structure coverage, and it is more suitable for people who want dependable and tension-free health insurance, where claim uncertainty is lower and coverage keeps getting restored whenever needed. And on the other hand, in ICICI Lombard Elevate plan, it is a next-generation customizable product that gives you the flexibility to shape your policy according to your lifestyle and future needs. And if you want OPD benefit, wellness reward, inflation protection, lifestyle focus feature, and the ability to upgrade your plan over time, then this plan offers stronger long-term adaptability. So simply, if your priority is security and claim reliability, then Tata AIG Medicare Select is better. And if your priority is customization and flexibility, then ICICI Lombard Elevate plans may give you better long-term value. So the final is depends on your priority, stability and flexibility. Both plans are strong in their own way. You just need to decide what type of protection suits you best. If you are still confused about which plan is right for you, do not rely on guesswork. Book a free consultation with PolicyHub IRDA certified expert and choose the best plan according to your profile and needs. And if you found this video informative, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.